A lot of people just rush right past the genealogy in Matthew chapter 1, treating it like a boring list of ancient names. But honestly, hidden right inside that list is one of the most shocking and beautiful revelations in the entire Bible. Matthew intentionally highlights 4 women, Tamar, Rahab, Ruth, and Bathsheba, whose own stories were complicated, painful, and totally broken. Yet, through these women, God shows us something so powerful. He redeems the stories the world outright rejects. He brings amazing glory out of sheer chaos and perfectly restores what seemed completely lost. He even weaves these broken lives directly into the official lineage of Christ himself. These women are not there by some kind of accident. They are the living proof that no story is too broken for God to redeem. Tamar's story begins with incredible injustice, abandonment, and a deep underlying pain. She was promised a husband, left waiting alone, and completely forgotten by the very family meant to protect her. Out of that desperation, she had to disguise herself, confront hypocrisy, and conceive Perez, who became a direct ancestor of Jesus. Her story teaches us that God's powerful plan is always stronger than human injustice gets in the way. Next, we find Rahab, a Gentile and a prostitute in the city of Jericho, an absolute outsider by every standard. She was marked by shame, unqualified by society's view. But Rahab chose to believe God, which ultimately saved her whole household. She became the mother of Boaz and was later entered right into the genealogy, leading to our Messiah. Rahab's life proves that your past does not have the final say on what your future is supposed to look like. Then there is Ruth, who was a poor, foreign, and grieving Moabite widow facing an uncertain tomorrow. Yet, through her incredible loyalty to Naomi and her steadfast trust in God, she became King David's great-grandmother. Her journey shows us that God restores through the most unexpected relationships and welcomes all nations into his story. Bathsheba's story is deeply surrounded by sin, a terrible abuse of power, heartache, and tragic loss. Despite the devastation David's actions brought into her life, God restored her, healed her, and lifted her to a place of unexpected honor. Through Bathsheba came Solomon, the wisest king in Israel, and ultimately, the entire line leading to the Messiah. Matthew included these 4 women on purpose because their stories are the actual core message we should not miss. Their lives declare that God heals painful pasts and lifts the rejected into places of incredible honor. If Tamar, Rahab, Ruth, and Bathsheba can be woven into the main story of Jesus, then your story can absolutely be woven into God's purpose too. Your brokenness is never the final chapter. It is actually the very place where God begins his greatest redemption.